Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to rename a template on Shopify. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to rename a template here inside Shopify, well, this one is kind of complicated, so you need to update a few things once you do update it. So what we need to do is you want to go ahead and just open up online store here. You want to go to Teams, and in here, you want to make sure to make a copy of your current theme. So just to be on the safe side, because we'll be editing the code part or the back end. So you want to go ahead and click on the option that says duplicate, just to be on the safe side here. A lot better if you have a backup copy just in case. But once it's actually available, or once it's actually copied, you could go ahead and just click on the G dot option here and click on edit code. But for now, let's go and just wait for it to fully copy our website. It's now done. Let's go and click on edit code. Now, in the edit code section, what you're looking for is going to be the, in this case, the templates folder inside your Shopify page or website here. So again, what we need to do is you want to go and expand a few things here. So currently, you should see the templates folder section. Let's go and just expand that one, and you should be able to see all the templates that you currently have. Now, just to give you an idea, I currently have what we call the product test product temp section here. So this is my current template right now. So just to give you an idea, I'm going to click on the edit team here, and it's going to go to our product page. As you can see, this is the test product temp. As you can see, this is the name. So in order for you to basically edit this, you want to go ahead and basically click on, let's go and click on allow. Now let's go and just select this one, and you want to go ahead and change a few things. I click on top right here, and you want to go ahead and choose the option that says rename. So again, right click on the product, on the actual file or template that you want to edit. Right click on it, choose rename, and you should be able to rename it. But the thing with this one is you need to make sure to preserve the first section here before the actual dot. So this is the name that we want to edit. So maybe I just want to say it is going to be a temp edited name. So obviously you could go ahead and use whatever you want in here. So I'm just going to rename it properly. So yeah, this is going to be temp edited. So that's the new name of our current template. Let's go and just basically select any of the options here that will be updated. And once you've done that, once we go back into our Shopify page here, as you can see, so you can click on home page again. It's now going to be updated to temp edited. Now, the thing with this one is you need to make sure that you also update all the products or pages or blog posts that currently uses that template. So in this case, like for example, you want to go to products, since I use this one of the products, you want to make sure that you select this. So let's go and select bulk select this and click on bulk edit. Now this is the easiest way to update the templates. Go and click on column. Let's go and choose the template option here, or column. Now from here it should be added. Go and select this one, and basically choose product temp edited here. So this is the updated template, and just click on save so that it's now going to be updated. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.